Ready to take your events to the next level? Well, in this lesson, we'll show you how to showcase your SwiftFox events in the login portal, making them more accessible and engaging for your members than ever before. When you publish events in the portal, your contacts can see events that match their interests and membership level, book tickets with their details already filled in, and access exclusive member-only events. In this lesson, we'll cover how to add an event to your portal and viewing the event in your portal. Note, you'll need a SwiftFox login portal or SwiftFox website to use this feature. Let's dive in and make your events shine. Before we can showcase your event in the portal, we'll need to create it first. Navigate to Events in SwiftFox and select Create Event and follow the setup process. Need help with event creation? Our SwiftFox Events Academy course has you covered with detailed guidance, so if you're lost, go check those out first. Once you've set up your event, head to the Overview step. Here's where the magic happens. You'll spot a tab called Publish. This is where you decide where your event will live, whether that's on your main website, a SwiftFox website page, or in the login portal. To publish your event in the portal, find the website page drop-down in the Publish tab. Scroll down and select your login portal. Choose which page you'd like the event to appear. For most users, this will be the events page. Next up, let's set up your RSVP form. Select the RSVP form drop-down and choose your preferred form. Here's a handy tip. For portal-only events, SwiftFox automatically recognizes logged-in users. This means you can skip the contact details block in your RSVP form. We've already got their information. However, if you're also sharing this event on your public website, you might want a separate RSVP form that includes contact details for external users, since external users will not be pre-identified. After adding your event to the portal, you'll see it appear in the confirmation table, and you can add an eye-catching cover image. This image will make your event stand out in the portal listing, helping members quickly find what interests them. Now, let's see how your event looks in action. Open your login portal and go to the events page. Your newly added event will be displayed, showing the event name, the event details, and your cover image. Select the event to see the full details page. From here, your contacts can easily review all the information and RSVP. Remember, since they're in the portal, SwiftFox knows who they are, so no need to fill in those details again. Select RSVP, choose a ticket type, such as a discounted member ticket, select Submit to complete the registration, and just like that, the booking is done. And there you have it. We've walked through how to showcase your events in the portal, making them more accessible and engaging for your members. With this feature, you're not just listing events, you're creating a seamless experience where members can discover, book, and attend events that matter to them. Ready to create more amazing experiences for your members? Well, then check out our other lessons to learn more about SwiftFox's powerful features.